The first BMW 6 Series model, E24. This here is a real piece of history. This car have a problem, that's why it's here. And as have you seen it in the intro, one headlight won't work. On this model, if a bulb is broken, you cannot replace only the bulb. You need to replace the whole assembly, the whole headlight. Because these are sealed type of headlights. And for this car, I have 4 brand new headlights from Hella. So enough with the talking and let's get to work. And these are the headlights. These are for interior lights and these are for exterior. Inside the box, some instruction, I don't need it. These are for interior. Here is the high beam. It's with H1 type of bulb. And in this box, we have some bulbs. And these are with H4. First, I will need to remove this plastic trim. For this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips type of screws, and from behind here I have 2 nuts 10 millimeters. And now I have to take out this cover with this duct. You can see down there 1, 2 nuts. They are 8 millimeters, not 10. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Okay, now I can remove the tool signal and the ornament, but first I need to unplug and now I can safely remove this ornament. Next, I will need to take out these chrome pieces. After that, I can remove the headlight. And how you can see, you cannot change the bulb inside because the headlight is the bulb. The same with the high beam headlight. Remove the retaining ring and the high beam bulb. And before I will continue, I will clean this area. Okay, after cleaning everything, I will need to prepare my headlights. This is from here. Perfect. This headlight have these two adapter wires. This is the bulb. Perfect. I need this rubber. Okay. It's looking perfect. Brown with brown, white with white. Next, the low beam. I will use some Philips yellow light. Nice. Next, the turn signal. I'll use some grease on this thread. I'll use some grease on the plug, on the exterior. On the plug I'll use some contact spray. Okay, after some scrubbing and cleaning, everything is brand new. And this is the difference. New headlights, everything cleaned. And the old headlights. Very nice. Now I will repeat the process on that side. And after some cleaning, are looking very nice. And I'm finished. It's looking amazing. And as bonus, this car will receive the original stereo. First I need to change the plug. You can see here everything is original, and this is a good thing. The only thing that they did bad is this. They have destroyed the car wiring, but no problem. I have a solution for this. I will repair it. And the plug is finally ready. And now the moment of truth. I will need an adapter for this. Code 9076. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Lanțul zilei privind cazurile noi de COVID-19 sunt anunțate 1303.
Nice, it's working. And finally, this car is ready. Have new headlights, have replaced the stereo, but it will need a bracket for this stereo, it will need the adapter for the antenna, and the owner will replace this unit because these have dead pixels. And I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button. If you want to ask me something, use the comment section down below. Until next time, stay awesome. Bye.